a rapper straight out of the Bay Area, Nano Reyes, formerly a Christian rapper, if you can believe that shit. But Nano found dick and Jesus was right out the left side of the window, I don't know. And with no more talking from me, Nano Reyes.
Come on, can I? That's what's up, man. I feel the love, the energy. I put it down cause I'm repping the scene. I'm coming mean, Nano Reyes is so hot that I burn you with steam. I come clean when I step in the building. You catching feelings cause my stacks is stacking high and it's hitting the ceiling. I can't front, baby. You looking like a faker, but I still take you home. Call me Mr. Backbreaker. I lay you down in the bed. You got to give me some head. Nah, fuck that, bitch. I want your brother instead. Cause you talk too much and you working my nerves. You gotta come like a thug. You gotta come put in work. You better give it to me the way I observe. Cause I'll make it worth your time. I'll give you what you deserve. What? I ain't even tripping. Come on, y'all know the word. She ain't even tripping. He ain't even tripping. Cause we ain't even tripping. What? I ain't even tripping. Why should I? She ain't even tripping. She better not. He ain't even tripping. He never did. Cause we ain't even tripping. What? You got that? You like it? You want it? Get it, got it, and want it. Yeah, me to fit that shit, but I'ma take it and own it. Cause when I spit, I come sick. Like I'm going off that chronic. And these bitches wanna hate because I'm so electronic. I'm taking over. You know we gotta get that cash. We coming through up in the hook. I bet you shaking that ass. I get that money. Regardless if your ass talk fast. Cause I can't stand you haters. I just laugh at your ass. I mean for real though. You know I'm stacking my chips. And every thug up in the club wanna give me a lick. I'm like, hell yeah, play and handle that shit. Make me bust out on a nut, cause you got my dick break. I ain't even tripping. What? She ain't even tripping. Are y'all tripping? He ain't even tripping. What? Cause we ain't even tripping. I ain't even tripping. Why should I? She ain't even tripping. She better not. What? He ain't even tripping. He never did. Cause we ain't even tripping. Got that. It's kinda silly how these bitches be talking, but when they see me in the streets, they smile and keep their ass walking. But let me find out that you wanna do something, cause I'm ready for you, nigga. Keep pushing my buttons, I dare you. Cause when I rap, I'll come like a stab. I'll murder you, bury your body and relax in the back. It's over, game is finished when you fucking with Nano. I put in work and get my money, some call me Soprano. I ain't even tripping. What? What? She ain't even tripping. Come on. He ain't even tripping. Cause we ain't even tripping. I ain't even tripping. Why should I? She ain't even tripping. She better not. He ain't even tripping. He never did. Cause we ain't even tripping. That's right. That's what I'm saying, man. I ain't tripping off on these cats. None of these motherfuckers, you feel me? I'm coming through stunting. And when you come through stunting, feelings get hurt. I don't give a fuck. Like, I ain't even tripping. I'm in the club and I'm sipping. What? I ain't even tripping. Cause I'm in the streets and I'm living. Yeah, that's what's up. If you love dick and you a nigga, give it up. If you a bitch and you love to suck pussy, give it up. Ha, grab your dicks if you love hip hop. Mwah, thank you. We're about to be the face of homo hip hop, and you know what I'm saying? It's much love to everybody out there. And like I said, I love to fuck haters. I love to fuck haters, so keep it up, you know what I'm saying? Just make sure you're on the lookout for us, because we on the come up. It's nothing. We boss niggas. We real motherfuckers. You know what I'm saying? This is how we get it, and this is what we about to do. You're gonna see us big and shining. You know what I'm saying? Don't let your feelings get hurt when you see us stunning. You feel me? Because we about to be stepping on over these bitches. You know what I'm saying? East Coast, West Coast, it's nothing but love. Shouts out to everybody out there. One love.
Straight out of Phoenix. Down low. With special guests, Deadly.
Everybody get to the bar, get you a drink, because the more you drink, the better we sound. I think I'm going to bring my homie Deadly up here. Yeah. Baggy, saggy, what you call that? Like nasty, baggy, saggy, what you call that? Like nasty, baggy, saggy, what you call that? Like nasty, baggy, saggy, what you call that? The crazy white boy with an SAG. This ain't a style, so we'll get your trade. Dance hall and dance is my life begin. Double A7, I need room for my trunk in the belt that I'm supposed to. Some hands to the truth. Won't shake it. Breaking the fit, coming through with a wrist, cause I'm breaking. Oh yeah, mixing it up. You know I got that. You don't believe me, ask me about that. Ooh, I bet that hurts, cause you know it's about something every time I squirt. sagging. Tongue got me on top, it busts me out. When I drop it, ain't bragging about sagging. But I was doing this way before the band wagon. Hey, baggy, baggy, hung saggy. What you call that? Thug nasty. Baggy, baggy, hung saggy. What you call that? Thug nasty. Baggy, baggy, hung saggy. What you call that? Thug nasty. Baggy, baggy, hung saggy. What you call that? I'm your mom, I'm your dad. I'm that sagger in the alley. On the ones and twos, he draws on droopy. Got that top notch bubble booty. Tasty, tasty, to the last drop. Lick it, something like a mop. Snap that, crack that, make it pop. Bust inside, below the waistline. Feel the vibration under my C-lines. Cluster gold with a second shine. Haters and lovers, put us on trial. LA to Phoenix, saggers gone wild. Haters and lovers, put us on trial. LA to Phoenix, saggers gone wild. Say baggy, baggy, hung saggy. What you call that? Thug nasty. Baggy, baggy, hung saggy. What you call that? Thug nasty. Baggy, baggy, hung saggy. What you call that? Thug nasty. Baggy, baggy, hung saggy. What you call that? Wait, what? Wait, what? Spell niggas backwards. S-A-double-G-I-N. That's how we style is. Wait, what? Wait, what? Spell niggas backwards. S-A-double-G-I-N. That's how we style is. Deadly, how low? I sag my pants down to the floor. Down low, how low? I sag my pants down to the floor. Deadly, how low? I sag my pants down to the floor. Down low, how low? I sag my pants down to the floor. Come on, say baggy, baggy, hung saggy. What you call that? Thug nasty. Baggy, baggy, hung saggy. What you call that? Thug nasty. Baggy, baggy, hung saggy. What you call that? Thug nasty. Baggy, baggy, hung saggy. What you call that? Thug nasty. Down low.
What's up, everybody? I'm Down Low. I'm out of Phoenix, Arizona. I'm the producer, collaborator, partner, brother, however you want to look at it, of Deadly. We're here for the MJ Street Cred 101 after party. Basically, I think everybody just kicked down a killer set. We were partying, having a good time, getting our drink on, like all good gay-bodying citizens do. My music is coming. I got a collaborative CD with Deadly coming out. It's called Clyde and Clyde. Kind of like Bonnie and Clyde, but two dudes, so it's Clyde and Clyde. Deadly, like I said, Deadly's like my brother. You know, we talk on the phone like little chatty schoolgirls. And his stuff is coming along good. We're producing his stuff. We're doing the collaborative album. We're starting the label. It's just been a ton of work. We did the Street Cred 101, and it took a lot to get it together, but we got it together. But like I said, Deadly's like my brother. I love him to death. So we got tons of music coming out, so be on the lookout. That's ClydeandClyde.com. That's C-L-Y-D-E, the letter N, C-L-Y-D-E.com. Check us out. Huge gay scene. I can't even begin to describe the amount of gay people that are in Phoenix. It's a blessing to live there. I like it. You know, it's a car ride away from LA. It's a car ride away from Vegas, which is another hot spot. But yeah, Phoenix is hot. I'm not even gonna try to pretend it's not. It's hot, especially during the summer. It's hot. If you see me, say what's up. Tell me how much you like my music, or just tell me how much you like my pretty face.